Dear learner, today we are going to discuss about classification of soups. First, what is soup? Soups are flavored and nutrients liquid food served at the beginning of a meal or a snack. In French classical menu, soups is called as potage. Traditionally in France, soup was a slice of bread on which the content of the cooking pot was poured. Soups are designed as unstained vegetables meat or fish soups garnished with bread, pasta and rice. Next, classification of soups. First, clear soups. One is broth and consomme. Next, thick soups. One is puree. Second one is velouté. Third one is cream. Fourth one is biscuit. And fifth one is chowder. Next, cold soup and international soups. First, broth. A broth is a stock-based soup which is not thickened. It is served unpassed and garnished with chopped herbs, vegetables or meats. For example, minestrone, Scotch broth, etc. Next, consomme. A consomme is a clear soup which is clarified with egg white. It is an old saying that if one can read the date on the dine thrown in 4 liters of consomme, then it is a good consomme. It is named after the garnish used in the soup. Next, puree. Puree soup or thick soup made by cooking and then puring vegetables or ingredients used in the soup. For example, lentil soup, potato soup, etc. One can roast the vegetables to give a better flavor. Next one is velouté. Velouté is a thick soup which is thickened with a blonde roux, passed and finished with an liaison. They may be vegetables or chicken stock based, for example, velouté of chicken. Creams. A cream soup is a passed thick soup. It may be a vegetables or meat based. Mostly vegetables are used for making cream soup. For example, cream of tomato, cream of mushroom and cream of chicken. Next soup is biscuit. It is a shellfish based soup which is passed and may be garnished with dices of the food used. Traditionally, it is thickened with rice and furnished with cream. For example, lobster biscuit. Next, chowder. Traditionally based on seafood and thickened with potato and finished with cream and milk. For example, clam chowder, seafood chowder. Chowder are from the US and most classical version from mother tongue and hence the name Panakhantan chowder. Cold soups. As the name suggests, these soups are served cold but not chilled. Chilling would dull the flavor and the soup would be taste bland. For example, chilled consomme, gazpacho. Next, international soup. These do not form a separate classification as they represent the region of origins. For example, green tulle soup from England, French onion soup from France, Mulugatu onion soup from India. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.